Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss about the economic policy. So, introduction to the economic policy. An economic policy is a course of action that is intended to influence or control the behavior of the economy. So, an economic policy is the influencer to the control and behavior the economy, and economic policies are typically implemented and administered by the government. So in these policies are implemented to the government. So for examples of economic policies included decisions made about government spending and taxation. So it is also government, it can be spending to the some taxes about the redistribution of income from rich to poor. So it is also redistribution to the income of the rich people or poor people, and about the supply of money. So it can mean supply to the money. The effectiveness of the economic policies can be assessed in one of two ways, known as in positive and in normative economics. So in this economic policies can be in two ways, positive and normative economics. So the positive and normative economics, it can be. So the positive economic attempts to describe how the economy and economic policies work without resorting to value judgment about the which results are best. So the positive economics, it is also nothing but the, so what the policies and what the economic policies work without resorting to the values and judgment, and which results are best to the, it is also in positive economics. So next one, normative economics. The normative economics involves the use of value judgment. So positive economics, what about the judgment is best, the result is the best. So in this normative economics, so it is also use of in value judgment to assess the in performance of the economy and economic policies. So it is also in based on the performance. So after that, it can be the judgment. So value of judgment. It is also known as a normative uh, economic. So next one, the goals of in economic policy. So the goals of economic policy consist of a value judgment about the what economic policy should be strive to achieve, and therefore in fall under the headings of the normative economics. So in these goals of economic policy, it can be involved to the value of judgment. So about in what economic policies it should be achieved. So it is also involved to the normative economics. So it can be involved to the growth of economic policy, economic growth, and full employment and price stability. So it can be involved to the in economic goals of economic policy. So first one, economic growth. The economic growth means that the incomes of all consumers. So incomes of in all consumers and trades after accounting for inflation. So it is also after inflation to the accounting are increasing to the in over time. So are increasing to the are increasing to the in over time. So it is also economic growth. So economic growth is also nothing but the, so all incomes of the consumers and firms. So after inflation to the, so it can be increasing to the in value. It is also known as a in economic growth. So next one, full employment. So full employment is nothing but the goal of full employment is that every member of the in labor, every member of the in labor who wants to work is able to find. Okay, na? So it can be involved to the every member. So who wants to work able to in find. It is also every employee it can go find the work. So it is also in full employment. So next one, price stability. The goal of price stability is the prevent increase the general price level known as the inflation. So it is also in product general price levels also increasing, as well as in decreasing the general price level is known as the inflation. So the price levels also be in increasing, it is also in inflation, as well as in decreasing to the general price known as the deflation. It is also in price stability. So it is also involved in the goals of economic policy.